will create one Adam folder. Okay. Once we run this, okay, these two libraries were assigned. This is raw data, and why it is GTM? Okay, I have not changed. So it is created Adam, and then where it is raw data. Yeah, so it's not raw data actually, it is Adam SDTM data sets, but anyway, we'll create SDTM. Yeah, so this is demographics. Okay. Yeah, so now we can start the ADSL programming. Okay. First of all, which variables we need to create these variables, right? Okay. These are the variables for demographic. Okay. Is there any? Okay. So we'll keep the whatever we required, right? So these are all the predecessors. Okay. So direct we can keep it as it is from the demographic, right? So then we can copy these variables. Okay. So apart from this, is there any variable which we required in ADSL from? Okay. So these we were copied. Okay. Why they have taken both the DTCs from this? It's not the right one. Actually, this is also from, I guess, demographics only. Let me check. Yeah, so the date of birth is from it, but actually here it is a partial. Why it is partial? Mm-hmm. We'll put it as it is. Okay, this is also from DM, not DS. Okay, sub DM age and the subsequent score DM age SC. A reference date age at reference date. Let me check in the demographic sub-DM. Do we have this variable? Okay. Oh, so here they have the age. Okay. Anyway, this we will handle this. Okay. Then in that case, okay, here the DM, the race. Okay, sex and race also will take it up. Okay. Okay, so if in the sex variable, if it is a 1, then male, if it's a 2, and the female. So then we can write if then else condition. So if sex equal to M, then sex N equal to 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Else if sex equal to
2.
F, then sex N equal to 2. Likewise here also we can do for the race. Okay, so race and variable, so you can create format also, that also you can do it if it's up to you, but yeah, I'll write the if then condition. So whenever we have values like this, we can copy the value from the data set, okay, not from the spec. Where is race? We don't have the race variable here. Okay, yes, we have. So all are capital. Okay, so American alternative or this one. Oh, then always n equal to what? 1.
1.
Else if race equal to equal to 2. Okay. So 3, 4, 5, 6. How many we have? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 99. Okay. So now the next one is the Asian. Okay. So we'll take it. What is Asian? Is there anywhere?
The top set, sir. Not picked.
Okay. Then next, Black or African American. This we have to find it. Next, a native Hawaiian or other Pacific Islander. No one is there. Okay. Five is white, six is multiple. Okay. So 99 is other. If other is there, 99. Okay. We'll see. Is there any variables? Okay. These two variables, so we need to transpose the sub DM. We'll do it. Okay. So once we done the one-to-one mapping, okay, this is TRT actual treatment. The sub DM dot QL where the sub DM is equal to DMP. Okay, let me check. Here we have this DM. Okay, this one proposed animation code. Okay, here we have only animation code. But how can we get the treatment, actual treatment name? When the TRTA, okay, so DMQ now and TRTA is equal to A when the TRTA n equal to 1. TRT code, okay. So I think we have to check the TRT code. Okay, here it is. So animation code, okay, TRT code, okay. Then you have 1702 is the proposed animation code. Let me check. We have the 1702. One seven zero two. Yes, we have. So here what they did actually. So we have a treatment file. Okay. So if you can see, this is the treatment data set. Here we have the ranimation code. Okay. So RENCODE. So this is the ranimation code. Okay. So whenever you check with the sub DM, there will be a variable like DMPRNDC, proposed ranimation code. Okay. Based on this proposed animation code, this code and then this strat, if you can merge with these two, then you will get these information. Okay, this is the strat num and the block and then treatment code. The TRT code is 123. Okay, so there if you can see the TRT AN equal to 1. Okay, if 1 it's A, if it's a 2 B, and the TRT is 3. Okay, so ABC treatment they have assigned. Okay, but however actually that these randomization proposed codes and everything should be handled in the demographic level. Okay, so it should not be done in the Adam level basically. Why? Because sorry.
యా ఇక్కడ ఒక డౌట్ వచ్చింది నాకు. ఇక్కడ 1702 కోసం మీరు మాన్యువల్ గా సెర్చ్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, డైరెక్ట్ గా ఫిల్టర్ ఆర్ సెర్చ్ త్రూ చేయొచ్చా?
చేయొచ్చు.
అదే అంటే మీరు మామూలుగా మాన్యువల్ గా చెక్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా.
No, I mean, since here we have the like a serial number wise, right? So that's why I dragged it. Okay. So the basically this is the old version of the SAS. Okay, SAS. Okay. I mean, there we can, if you want to do that, okay, you go in the data and the where class. You can write the where class, whatever you want. You can filter it. Okay. So I hope that this is everyone already you know the SAS. Okay. So just I want, I mean, this is anyway serial number. I just dragged it simply. If you are using the SAS EG enterprise version, you have the here the where clause bar. There you can write direct SAS code and you'll get that. Okay.
Okay.
You never did with this filter data?
No.
Then how you are cross checking the data in the SAS?
No, actually, I haven't done all this. Like, I just listen the classes in between. I got 3 months of gap. I went on vacation to back home, so I just rejoined for Adams.
Did you completed your SAS classes?
Yeah, I completed C disc till C disc, but
But if you completed the SAS, then you should have this option. You should know, right? The data, like where class and all these things.
actually I didn't practice much, and I got 3 months of gap.
Okay.
I went on vacation to my back home, so
Okay, no problem.
I need to do some refresh.
Okay, no worries. Okay, so yeah, first of all, what we need to do that. Okay, so here we have the information from age and age units, as well as the treatment informations. Okay, the treatment TRTA, TRTAN is okay. These informations. So these we can take it back to particular ADSL, and then we'll merge back to the randomization code file. Okay, so apart from this sub DM, okay, this is also TRTA sub DM, DMDTC. Okay, we can keep it as is. Okay, then we'll keep it DMDTC also. Okay, so now first what we will do, we will transpose the data set sub DM. Okay, so what we have here, screening edge, and this one okay, and then what else we required. Okay, so now tell me, you already know that when we are creating the supplementary DM, we have transposed the data horizontal to vertical. So now vertical to horizontal, we need to do that. Okay, so can anyone tell the code? How we can do it? Okay, so it's a vertical to horizontal. Okay, just please think it. Okay, I'll be back in 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, yeah. Did anyone got the logic? How we can do the vertical to horizontal transpose? No one knows.
Proc transpose.
Yeah, proc transpose. What is the proc transpose? I mean, everything we cannot do the same transpose, right? Okay. First of all, tell me, when we're doing the creation of the sub DM, what transpose we used? What transpose we used? అసలు ట్రాన్స్పోజ్లో ఏం చేస్తా తెలుసా నీకు? ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ తోటి ఏమేమి ట్రాన్స్పోజ్లు ఉంటాయి? If you have, at least you are unable to answer this question, I can straight away say you are even not at all try for the fresher interview as well. Okay, so even if people are not eligible for the freshers interview as well. This is a very common first step procedures, proc transpose.
By using proc transpose, we can converting the vertical manner to the horizontal manner.
So then what we need to do here, vertical to horizontal or horizontal to vertical?
Here we want to do that to horizontal to vertical, sir.
Here we are doing horizontal to vertical. Means we are converting variables to values. You are saying?
Yes, sir.
You are saying yes. You mean to say these variables you need to convert to values?
No, sir. No, we are converting vertical to the horizontal manner, sir.
Then vertical to horizontal, what kind of statements you should write? So you need these qnams,
statements.
these qnams as a variables now, right?
Yes.
So then what kind of proc transfer should write?
Proc transfer data equal data system out equal.
Mm-hmm.
Then keep the numerical batch statements. Sir.
1 second. Now tell me, what should I write? What we can take then, the by variable? What variable we should take it in by variable? Why everyone is keep quiet? In BM there is no other possibility, only the one record per subject. Already I did already here. By seeing this also you can say that you can take this one. Yes. So I think no one is have interest to practice and then get a job in the SAS, I guess. These are the very, very basic level questions, okay? Then next, what kind of statement we need to use?
Where statements.
Okay, in the where, what variable will come?
Raise.
Huh? First of all, tell me what kind of statements we can use? By, where, and what else?
Heading.
Sorry?
You mean what? In the proc transpose, what statements you can use?
In the proc transpose, everyone should have no, I guess, okay? But I'm asking here, we are doing the transposing the data from vertical to horizontal, okay? We are converting values to variable. Now, ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Here we need to do the vertical to horizontal, right? So what statement we should use and then what variables we will keep it in that statement?
In the where statement, you should keep the raise variables.
Okay. First of all, tell me, and what else statements we can write it? By and where, that's it? Sorry? ID. Okay, ID. And what else? Whenever you use light, we ID label also we can use it, right? Yes or no? So now tell me in the where statement. Okay, I think you are struggling for the to tell the statements. I think I don't think so. I can expect the variable names from you. Okay. So one thing I can say, if you are not understand this logic, and then which variable you are unable to identify the data, and then which variable we need to keep, and then if you are not visualizing the data, I can straight away saying that okay, it's a waste of your time and it's waste of your money. Straight away I can say. So at least, I mean, this is not a rocket science. Okay, this is a proc transpose, a very simple. I think the very initial 1-2 weeks only the proc transpose we done vertical to horizontal and horizontal to vertical. This is a very simple proc step. Okay, so you are not getting this also. I don't think so. But at least to overall have interest and then that Jill. So you can please practice. Okay, I said that please come up with a question if you are unable to understand anything. Okay. So there is no point, right? So you are unable to use the transpose in your data. Then what is the point to you are writing a program? Okay. So sorry, this is where not where. This is ID and ID is the QNAM. Okay. So ID label is the, what is the label name? Q label, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then where is that? What variable? Result variable, qval. Okay. So if you can see this transpose. Okay. So this one. Okay. So now if you can see, these variables were transpose these values as a, now before in the subdm how it looks like this one as a values. Now it's converted into variables. Now based on the subject we can merge back to the ADSL, right? Data ADSL3 merge ADSL2 and what is this SDMT. What is the byte statement we can use?
Use subject.
Use subj ID. Okay.
If yeah.
Okay, I think we have not run this. Okay. Okay. So multiple lens, whenever we get this one, okay, your two different data sets when you merge, okay, the both lens were not same, then you will get that, okay. So you need to adjust the lens here so that you can do it. Yeah. So if you can see these variables, okay, it is got assigned. Okay, now data ADSL 5 ADSL 4. Okay. Now we have to assign these two variables, okay, but for this we have to merge again with based on the treatment. Okay, so for now you just keep it inside these two variables. DMHSC and DMHSCU. What is the variable name? DM age SC. Okay. These were assigned.
Sir, here is set to ADSL, please.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Why is this? Which is the numeric value here? Age is the numeric value. Is 3. This is a character only, right?
Yes, sir.
No, this is the character only. Then why we got this line number 68, age unit, report, receive. Why? This is numeric. Character only. Then why we are getting that? Oh, DM. Okay, we got DM age SCU. What we got? Okay, spelling mistake. But you can see age units. Okay. Next. Yeah, the treatment. Okay. So now what we need to do that we need to merge the data set, the TRT. Okay, the treatment groups by based on the randomization number. So if you can see the proposed randomization number from the sub DM, okay, so that we have transposed and get it done, right? So if you can see here, where is that? Okay, I think this one, the proposed randomization number, I guess, right? Yeah, proposed randomization number. Okay, so we need to merge the data DM, PRN, DCD with, where is that? The TRT, okay, TRT with the RAN code, okay. So then we need to write the match, okay. So SQL select RAN code, TRT code.
TRT.
Okay. here, what is the variable name? DMPRN DCD. DMPRN DCD. Okay. So whenever your data, okay, the bivariables are not same. Okay, if you can see here, here is the randomization code, here is the DMPR and proposed randomization code, but actually we need to merge with this. Okay, so whenever the variable names are same, you can use the merge statement. If the variable names are different, you can use the proc SQL, it would be easy, or else you want to use the merge, and in either one of the dataset variable you can rename it and then merge back. Okay, so Exos is in the equals has components that are the different data types. Okay, which one is the numeric? Okay, this is numeric, and this is the character variable. Okay, then you can convert it into this. Okay, so this is a character. We can convert into input of this one, comma, this dot. SL4. Okay, so DMPMD underscore. PMD. How it got PMD?
PR and this one.
PRND, but it is, we got the variable name is DMPRND, right? Okay, correct. So, okay. Okay, so now it is rerun. So both the data types should be in the same, right? So previously one is character, one is numerical. Now if it's you see the ADSL file. Okay, so in the ADSL file, the treatment code was assigned. Okay, so now in the next step, so data ADSL 6 set ADSL file. Actually, I mean, for your understanding purpose, I'm writing these many steps, okay? But these are the many things you can assign in one step only. But for your convenience, I'm writing like this. Okay, what is that? Okay, if the TRT, then TRT, okay, is equal to A, 2 is B, 3 is C, okay, 4 is D, we can assign, okay? If what is the randomization TRT code equal to TRT code equal to 1, then TRTA equal to what?
Yes, sir.
Else if TRT code equal to 2, then TRT A equal to B. Okay. So and also you can assign this one, okay? TRTAN is a numeric variable, right? Directly you can assign the code TRT code. So then you can assign so TRTAN equal to TRT. What is the variable code? Okay. So it is 6. You can see that this is the TRT and TRTN was derived. Okay, so did everyone understand the logic here? So basically we have the randomization file, the treatment group file in another separate data set. Okay, we have the randomization number in subDM. So based on the, okay, first of all we transpose the subDM and then merge back to the main DM data set. Based on this, these, okay, DM, PRN, DCD, proposed randomization number, and then from the TRT code, okay, so we matched back to this, and then based on that the randomization code, TRT code, we have assigned the treatment numbers. Okay, so that's what we did here. The next variable, okay, until here we have completed. Okay, so the programming. So the next is the height, weight. Save this, not really required. What is weight? See, I mean, since this is the numeric number, then no need to create a character version. But anyway, here we have the like, okay, so the vital signs, okay. Here we need to handle the vital signs dataset VS. So let me check VS dataset is that STTM. Yes, we have vital signs, okay. Yes, we have the height, weight, okay. So we can take it from the screening visit, height, weight, and then treatment start dates from RFSJK. Then this is inform consent screening randomization flags, and then yeah. Okay, these two are from DM again, death DTC death flag. Okay, this is a completion. Okay. So we have the available data for all the variables. Okay, so we'll continue this and tomorrow. 1 second. Okay. So yeah, we'll stop it until here. The remaining variables will continue tomorrow. Okay. So is there any questions from anyone so far what we discussed? ADSL programming. Okay. So I'm once again requesting you all, please go back and practice your SAS. Okay. Brush up your SAS knowledge. Okay. Without SAS knowledge or without domain knowledge, you cannot do any programming. Also, you need to understand the programming flow, how we are writing the programs. That is very, very, very important. If you are unable to understand this programming flow, then there is no point to like, okay. So in the real time, it would be really, really problem for you to create a programs. So please practice and then come up with the questions. And then if you have any question, I'm happy to help you on that. So that's it for today. Is there any questions from anyone?